The allure of Jatropha integerrima, a plant for sun-drenched days. Jatropha integerrima, also known as peregrina or spicy jatropha, has become a captivating resident in my garden. This vibrant shrub, boasting fiery red flowers and lush green foliage, thrives in the Florida sunshine. But its beauty is just the beginning. Jatropha integerrima is surprisingly resilient, tolerating drought and poor soil conditions. It's no wonder this easygoing plant has captured the hearts of gardeners across the globe. Intrigued by its fiery charm, I delved deeper into the world of Jatropha integerrima. Here, I share my experiences and insights on cultivating this captivating plant, hoping to ignite your own gardening passion. See more 177 species in genus Jatropha at monsteraholic.com. How to propagate Jatropha integerrima? Propagating Jatropha integerrima is a breeze. There are two primary methods: seeds and stem cuttings. Seeds, the most common method is propagation through seeds. The plump, black seeds readily germinate under warm conditions. Here's my approach. Harvest, collect mature seeds once the seed capsules turn brown and begin to split open. Scarification, optional. Some gardeners recommend lightly scarifying the seed coat with sandpaper to aid germination. However, I found good success rates without this step. Planting, sow seeds directly in pots filled with well-draining potting mix. Moisten the soil lightly and place the pots in a warm, sunny location. Germination, seeds typically germinate within 2 to 3 weeks. Stem cuttings, propagation through stem cuttings is another viable option. Selection, choose healthy, non-flowering stems with a few nodes. Cutting, make a clean cut just below a node, ensuring a length of 6 to 8 inches. Preparation, remove the lower leaves and allow the cut end to callus over for a day or two. Planting, plant the cuttings in pots filled with moist potting mix. Ensure a node is buried beneath the soil surface. Care, water moderately and place the pot in a warm, brightly lit location, but avoid direct sunlight. With both methods, patience is key. Seedlings and cuttings require consistent moisture and warmth to establish a strong root system. Is Jatropha integerrima native to Florida? While Jatropha integerrima flourishes in Florida's warm climate, it's not native to the state. This exotic beauty originates from Cuba and Hispaniola. However, it has adapted well to Florida's subtropical environment, making it a popular choice for landscaping. When are Jatropha integerrima seeds ready? Jatropha integerrima boasts a prolific display of seeds. The seeds mature within the green, oval-shaped capsules that adorn the plant. Here are the signs to watch for. Color change, the seed capsules will transition from green to brown as they mature. Splitting, once mature, the capsules will begin to split open, revealing the black seeds within. Seed hardness, the seeds themselves should be firm and black when ready for harvest. It's best to harvest seeds before the capsules fully split open, as this can lead to seed dispersal by wind or wildlife. Beyond the basics, additional tips for Jatropha integerrima care. Here are some additional tips to ensure your Jatropha integerrima thrives. Light, Jatropha integerrima is a sun worshipper. Provide at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil, well-draining soil is crucial. Amend clay-heavy soil with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Watering, water moderately, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Fertilizer, fertilize sparingly during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength. Pruning, light pruning can encourage bushier growth and remove dead or leggy branches. However, extensive pruning is not necessary. Jatropha integerrima, a plant with potential. Jatropha integerrima offers more than just visual appeal. Research suggests potential uses for the seeds in biofuel production. However, further research is needed to determine its full viability as a biofuel source. Beyond its potential uses, Jatropha integerrima remains a captivating addition to any sunny garden. With its minimal care requirements and vibrant beauty, this plant is sure to add a touch of the tropics to your outdoor space. So, why not give Jatropha integerrima a try? You might just be surprised by its fiery charm.